what you know about rolling down in the deep. When the brain goes numb, you can call a mental freak. I don't know the words. TikTok stuff. Welcome back to Nick's Vids. I hope you're all having a lovely morning, evening, midday, afternoon, midnight snack, whatever you're doing and whenever you're watching this video. I hope you're having a great day. I'm on the way to Mono Motorcycles this morning for their breakfast club. It happens once every few weeks, once a month, give or take depending on their situations. But yeah, if you check them out on Facebook, you'll get lots of information about when these breakfast clubs are happening. At the breakfast clubs, there's a burger van or breakfast van, you can call it, to get you some nice breakfast snacks to get you going ready for the morning. So I did some work for Mono Motorcycles during my furlough period, and they're a really nice bunch of people down there. They do e-cubs, electric bikes through their Mono Electric, and they do lots of motorcycle servicing and maintenance and all of that kind of bits and bobs you could ever think. They can do it for you, even some tyre fittings. So yeah, if you ever need any work done, check them out. But yeah, so I'm heading down there this morning for a little bit of breakfast, chill, chat to them because I haven't seen them in a while, be nice, and then go from there. I was going to have my mate Joe coming down, but unfortunately he's ditched me for a sexy lady because he's been stooping there all night. You know I love you, Joe, but you fucking little bitch for ditching me. Hey! Hello piggies, good morning. Here we are, Mono Motorcycles Breakfast Club. Oh, well, see you later, guys, anyway. See you later! Oh, what a lovely day at Mono Motorcycles as always. It was lovely to see Dan and Kate. Flew the drone around a bit, got some good shots of everyone, and it was all good fun. Chatted for ages about bikes, aircraft, what I do for a living, and it was really good. So yeah, there we go. Thanks you very much for watching Nick's Vids as always. This is probably only a short video. I'm going to get out of here before those cyclists get in my way. So yeah, have a lovely day, guys. I'll see you later.